we can.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
In the last class, we discussed about respiration, respiratory system, and parts of respiratory system. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, parts of respiratory system. So, just I want to check whether you are in touch with that topic or not. Whether you had read the topic or not, I want to check it. For that, I will ask some questions. Are you ready to answer it?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, first it is based on the process of respiration. Okay. I will ask question to Abhishek. Abhishek, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you there in the last class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, listen the question properly. What do we call the process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide?
Respiration.
Very good. Respiration. It is the respiration. Now, I will ask to Anandan Raj. Anandan Raj,
Yes.
name the organ system in the body that helps in respiration. Name the organ system in the body that helps in respiration.
Lungs.
Sorry, I am not asking about
Ma'am,
the
can I?
parts.
Ma'am, can I?
1 minute.
Ma'am.
Okay, well, let me see. Pooja. Okay, tell me the answer. Pooja.
Respiratory.
Respiratory system. Respiratory system. Okay. See, so you've learned about the process and the name of the system. After that, you learned about the parts of respiratory system. Now, I will show one diagram. You can answer it through that. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, while I share the screen, all should mute it and be very attentive. I
Okay.
can ask this question to anybody. Royce,
Ma'am.
I want to see your face. Royce, I want to see your face. Okay. Okay, can you see this picture? Can you see a picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Be ready to answer my question. Just check the parts of it. Okay. Last class I told it, no?
Yes.
In the last
No.
class,
Pipe.
I described these different parts, right?
Yes. Diaphragm.
Okay. So now I will call those students to tell me that answer. Okay. This one. This is the first point through which air gets into our body, right? So let me ask you, Krishna. Krishna, are you ready? Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the name of this organ?
Windpipe.
This one. First organ.
Nose.
Nose. It is very simple one, right? Okay. Nose.
Mouth.
So a nose or mouth we are using for breathing. A nose with a pair of nostrils. Nostrils are the two openings at the end of our nose. We can
Nose.
say that, right? Okay. Another one. Jowl. 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 Okay. Can you tell me the name of this pipe? What is the name of this pipe? Unmute it.
Windpipe.
Windpipe. Okay, it is windpipe. Windpipe. Okay, very good. See, another name is there for this windpipe.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Angelina, tell me the other name.
Trachea. Trachea.
Okay, trachea.
Spelling Trachea.
Very good, trachea. Okay, then this windpipe connects the nose and the lungs. Say lungs are, this is the lungs, right? One pair of lungs situated in our chest. It is protected by our
Rib
rib
cage.
cage. Okay.
Rib cage.
Rib cage, rib cage. Then this below the lungs, you can see a muscle, disc-shaped muscle. Can you see it?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Diaphragm.
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 Diaphragm. Okay.
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm. This spelling you should learn it. Don't mistake it with a diagram. Diagram is, this is diagram. Picture of a respiratory system. But the muscle, name of the muscle is diaphragm.
Diaphragm.
Okay, diaphragm. So these are the parts of the respiratory system. The diaphragm separates the lungs from the stomach and the intestines. Up to this will be discussed in the last class. Today we can start another one. Okay. Today we can learn what are the main steps of breathing. Which are the main steps of Hridan? Sit properly. Which are the steps of breathing? I think you know that steps very well, right? Can anybody tell me which are the steps of breathing? Raise your hand. I will call you. Raise your hand. Which are the steps of breathing? Only Angelina knows it. Avantika, just give a try. Avantika, while we breathe, what all things we are doing? Avantika. Avantika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me? Okay, tell me what are the steps? Pranav, do you know what we are doing while we breathe?
And can I?
In air.
Pranav is trying it. Okay, tell me, Pranav.
In air.
Okay, we breathe in air. What we are breathing? Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Okay, we breathing in or breathe in oxygen into the
Breathe
body.
out carbon dioxide.
Very good. Breathe out carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
So these are the simple steps in breathing. There are two main steps in breathing. They are breathing in oxygen into the body, breathing out carbon dioxide from our body. Very simple, right? You know that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So let me share the screen. Let me share the screen. Okay. So we are going to learn about main steps in breathing. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everybody mute your audio. I can hear some sounds. Breathing. That we want to do. Pranav told it. First we are taking in oxygen. Am I right? We breathe.
Yes.
We breathe in.
Breathe in oxygen.
Breathe in oxygen. Very good. Breathe in oxygen. I hope you
Breathe
can
out
see.
carbon dioxide.
Oh, that is the second step. So breathe in oxygen. Another name is there for this one. It is called inhale. Inhale. What is that one?
Inhale.
Inhale oxygen or breathing in oxygen into the lungs. Breathing in oxygen, or we can call inhale oxygen into our body. That is the first step. Then the second step, breathing out. Breathing out. Breathe out.
Carbon dioxide.
Yes, breathe out.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon. I am writing CO2. That is carbon dioxide. As there is no space, I am writing this. Okay.
CO2 means what, ma'am?
Carbon dioxide. Okay. Otherwise, I will.
Ma'am, I understand.
You understood? Okay. So here we can call exhale. Exhale. Okay. So breathing includes two steps. First one, inhale. Second
Inhale,
one,
exhale.
second one,
Exhale.
exhale. Is it clear?
Yes. Inhale and exhale.
Okay.
Inhale and exhale.
Okay, mute your audio. In the first step, breathing in oxygen into the lungs. Inhale. In the second step, breathing out exhale
Exhale.
carbon dioxide from the lungs. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So these are the two main steps. Yeah, for breathing, diaphragm also have an important role. Diaphragm, it also plays an important role in our breathing. We can see that what it happens. Okay. Again, I want to share the screen. Okay. Don't go anywhere.
Okay, ma'am.
I will show you.
Inhale and exhale.
Yes. Okay. Let me take one image. Okay, up to that time, you can check the spelling of inhale and exhale.
Ma'am, I study.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, I also.
Okay. Okay, 1 minute.
Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out.
Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, who is it? Mute it and tell. Mute it and repeat it. Okay, otherwise it will be difficult for the others. Can you see a
Yes.
diagram here?
Yes. Breathe in and breathe out.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me take it to position. Okay. So here can you see the here in a breathe in, breathe out. This is
Yes.
the
Yes, ma'am. We can see.
okay. You can see. Okay.
Yes. I can see.
Everybody can see, right?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay. In this, the first one you can
breathe in.
okay, breathe in. This green one minute. I want to draw something to show you. Then only you can understand it.
And
One minute. Can you see a green color? It is
inhale.
the lung. Sorry, lungs. It is the lungs. Okay. Here in the diagram, the green color, the blue color, it is the lungs. No need to draw or write. Just listen here. Otherwise, you will miss it. The lungs.
Okay.
Here can you see one yellow color one down?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
Diaphragm. Diaphragm.
The diaphragm.
Diaphragm.
Who's the Angelina? Mute your audio. Angelina, everybody mute it, okay? See, diaphragm. We are showing the role of diaphragm in respiration. What happens to the diaphragm while we breathe in and while we breathe out? Okay, are you ready? So, when the diaphragm moves downward, air from outside get into our body. Understood?
Yes.
While we breathe in, our diaphragm moves downwards. As when the diaphragm moves downwards, the chest space increases and lungs will become expanded. Okay, at that time, air from outside will come into our lungs.
Yeah, we reduce.
Then we will
And
be
we are
able to then we can able to breathe in. So breathing in and breathing out happen due to the up and down motion of diaphragm. Up and down movement of the diaphragm. Breathing in and breathing out happen due to the up and down movement of the diaphragm. When the diaphragm moves downward, air from outside gets into our body. When the diaphragm moves upward, air will go out of our body. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
When the diaphragm moves upward, air will go out of our body. When the diaphragm moves downward, air will get into our body. So while we breathe in, but the diaphragm will move down. While we breathe out, diaphragm will move upward.
Upward.
Clear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we can, but it is an important role of diaphragm in the respiration. When it moves down, air will get into it. When it
Inhale
moves
and exhale,
upward,
ma'am.
when it moves upward, air will go out of our body. So let me ask one more, Pawan. You are doing experiments? I can see one. No need to do that all. Okay. If I ask some question, you should answer. Next one. Why we need to breathe? Why you need to breathe? Can anybody answer me? Why you need to breathe?
To
We
leave.
want to breathe to leave.
To leave, ma'am.
Okay, so to live. How the breathing helps to live? I don't know. How
It helps in digestion.
it helps in digestion. Okay, but how it related to related? How can we relate it?
Means
We need oxygen for many of our body functions. Understood? We need oxygen. We need oxygen for many of our body functions. This oxygen we get only while if we breathe. That is why we need to breathe. We get Hridan, 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 Hridan.
ma'am.
Okay, why we need to breathe? Tell me the answer. Why we need to breathe?
To leave us. If
That
we
is the
didn't breathe, we cannot leave.
okay. That is the answer which I gave it. Advika, Advika, why we need to breathe? Advika, I told it. Why we need to breathe?
Many of our organs need oxygen.
Very good. We need oxygen for many of our body. Not for the organs. Many of our body functions.
Oxygen is not there, we will die.
Hridan is not listening to class. Okay? Hridan, why we
Yes.
need to breathe? We need oxygen for many of our body functions. If you are simply sitting there, you
Ma'am,
will
I am
be
listening.
breathing. You will be breathing in a normal rate. But if you are dancing, if you are playing, if you are climbing some stairs,
You will become tired.
that is there. Is the breathing is faster or slower than the usual one? When if you are climbing the stairs or if you are running or if you are dancing, how you feel? What about your breathing?
Faster speed.
Faster. You will breathe
out, ma'am.
faster. You will breathe faster than the normal. Am I right?
Yes.
Because for doing activities, we need more oxygen than the normal. If you are simply sitting, you need only normal oxygen for that function. But if you are running or doing some activities, your body needs more and more oxygen. So,
Water.
yeah, not only water, oxygen for doing that activity. That is why we breathe faster than the usual. According to the difficulty level of the activity, the number of times we breathe also increases. If we are doing some activities which are no need of any strain, then we will breathe in a normal condition. But if it is difficulty level is more for that activity, our breathing rate also will increase. Actually,
This
adults
time
breathe.
we are normal breathing.
Now you are all breathing normal. Hridan,
Yes.
mute your audio and sit quietly. Okay. Now I want to write adults breathe about 18 times per minute. In a minute, they breathe 18 times. Children,
80 times.
18 times. 18 times.
Ma'am, for adults?
For adults, it is for the adults, normal breathing. But for the children, they may, sometimes it will be more than it. Okay, so I think it is the time to wind up for today's session. 5 more minutes. Okay, we can revise it. What all portions
Yes.
okay, we can revise it. So, be ready for revision. Okay?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
1 minute. I want to revise it. After that, I will.
Okay.
Okay. So today we first learned about the we revised it, right? Parts of the respiratory system. Okay. From that, can I ask some questions?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Aditi now only came. Aditi. Pia and Ronita, please leave the class. It is 5C science period. Okay. Let me. Pranav.
Ma'am, it becomes stuck.
Stuck. No, stuck. Okay, it will be okay now. Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which are protected by the rib cage?
Lungs.
Lungs. Very good. Now, Zaim, are you ready, Zaim? Zaim, are you ready? Unmute it. Unmute it. Unmute it. Okay. Okay. Dash separates the legs from the stomach and intestine. Dash separates the legs from stomach and intestine. Can you tell that?
Ma'am, can I tell? Can I tell?
Yes, tell it.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, tell it.
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm. Okay, it is the diaphragm. So next one. Next, we learned about 2 steps in breathing. Okay, inhale, that means breathe in oxygen.
Exhale.
Exhale, that is breathe out carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Next one, role of diaphragm in breathing.
Breathe in and
Breathe
breathe
in
out.
and breathe out.
While we breathe in, our diaphragm will move upward direction. Sorry, while we breathe in, diaphragm will move downward. So the air will come into our body. Inhale. Breathe out means the diaphragm will move upward direction. The carbon dioxide will go out of our body. That is exhale.
Exhale. Okay.
Exhale. Next one, the normal breathing rate of an adult is
80 times.
18 times
Times
per
minute.
minute. That means in 1 minute, 18 times we will breathe. Understood? 18 times per minute. And why we need to breathe? We need oxygen for many of our
Body function.
if we do some activities, then we need more and more
Oxygen.
Got it? And
Yes,
according
ma'am.
to the difficulty level
Ma'am, it is becoming stuck.
Okay. So now,
Ma'am, it is becoming stuck.
okay, just wait for it. According to the difficulty level of the
Ma'am, it is becoming stuck.
level of
And some disturbance.
Amin, mute your audio. Aditi, mute your audio. Okay. According to the difficulty level of the activity, number of times we breathe also increases. The faster we move, the faster we breathe. Understood? So
Yes, ma'am.
these are the these are the concepts that we discussed it today. You read the textbook properly, learn the spellings of these words also. Today I will be sending some notes. You have to
Okay.
copy it in the work. And I hope it is the time to wind up our class today. Hope we can see it in the next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.